Hi everyone, this is topic number 8. Find exact value of trigonometric functions when theta is between 180 degree to 270 degree. So this is your quadrant third. In quadrant third, you should know that only tan is positive. Only tan theta is positive and cot theta. So reciprocal of tan is cot. So tan and cot are positive, rest all are negative. If you don't know the quadrants, this is your quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270. One complete cycle makes 370 degree. In this quadrant 1, all trigonometric functions are positive. In quadrant 2, sine and cosecant are positive. Quadrant third, only tan and cot is positive. Quadrant 4, cos and secant are positive. So because cosecant and secant and cot are opposite ones, so you can just remember this one. A, S, T, C. All positive, quadrant 1. Sine positive, quadrant 2. Tan positive, quadrant 3. Cos positive, quadrant 4. If you remember this one, that will help you to solve all the questions. So question number 13 we have, if cos theta is equal negative 3 over 5, find cosecant theta. Good. Now you have cos is given, so I will use this one. Sine theta is what? Square root 1 minus cos square theta. Using this trigonometric identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. You take cos other side and that will be negative, and then I took the square root. So now you can just directly remember, because we are using them again and again. Cos theta is equal square root 1 minus sine square theta, and sine theta is equal square root 1 minus cos square theta. So if you will directly remember them, you can save a lot of time. Now square root 1 minus 3 over 5 square. That's it. Just solve it using the calculator and you will get your answer. So square root, let me show you one time using the calculator, and after that you guys do it by yourself. So square root 1 minus bracket sine negative 3 divide with 5 and then use power. That is giving us 4 over 5. So sine theta is 4 over 5, and I know cosecant theta is 1 over sine theta. So opposite is what? Now one more thing that you need to remember here, which is very important, that whenever you are solving square root in trigonometric functions, always take plus minus. Okay, usually we don't bother, but here we need to take care of this. This is very important. When you solve a square root, this will give you plus minus 4 over 5. So one answer will be positive and another will be negative. That is the property of a square root. Now this is your quadrant third. In quadrant third, I told you that only tan is positive. So the rest is all negative. So what will I do in quadrant third? Will I take positive answer? Will I take positive 4 over 5? No, because in quadrant third, sign is negative. So negative 4 over 5. So when you will do the reciprocal, that will give you negative 5 over 4. So cosecant theta is negative 5 over 4. Remember this thing and you can solve all the questions of this type. Okay. Okay, question number 14. Now if secant theta is negative 3, find tan theta. So what is our trigonometric identity? That secant square theta is tan square theta plus 1. You can write vice versa, like you can write this and this, no problem. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Secant theta is square root tan square theta plus 1 square root. Okay, I need to find tan. Okay, hold on a minute. Now if I need to find tan, I will have to take this to other side. So let's remove from here, and that will give you minus 1. Okay, so tan square theta is equal secant square theta minus 1. That's what we have to do. Now tan theta is square root secant square theta minus 1, and secant is negative 3 square minus 1. Solve this using the calculator. So what we will get, square root, we will get square root 8, but when we will solve square root 8, you will get 2 square root 2. So 2 square root 2 is your answer. 2 square root 2. So tan theta is, this is plus minus 2 square root 2. Remember, I am missing this point 1 again, so just I will focus on this one. Plus minus 2 square root 2. So negative will be your answer? No. So you will take only positive because this is quadrant third. In quadrant third, only tan is positive. Next question. Now next question we have, if cot theta is equal 1 over 4, you have to find cosecant theta. Okay, so cosecant square theta is equal cot square theta plus 1. This is our trigonometric identity that you need to know. So cosecant theta is equal to square root cot square theta plus 1 square root 1 over 4 square plus 1. And now let's just solve this. So square root, use brackets, 1 over 4, that is a square, plus 1, it will give you square root 17 over 4. So is this only square root 17 over 4? This is plus minus square root 17 over 4. And since it is third quadrant, so I will only take the negative answer. Positive answer will be discarded because of third quadrant. Next question. Next we have sine theta is equal negative 1 over 2, and find cos theta. So cos theta is what? Square root 1 minus sine square theta, and square root 1 minus 1 over 2 square. Let me show you using the calculator. Square root 1 minus brackets negative 1 and we are getting a square root 3 over 2. So cos theta is equal plus minus square root 3 over 2, and as I said again, we will take only the negative answer because of third quadrant. Only 10. If 10 is there, then it is positive. So that's how we solve if you have trigonometric function and the theta value is between 180 degree to 270 degree. That's it for this video. In the next video, I will talk about 270 to 360. So stay with me in the next video also. That's it for this one.